How do you say Bangladesh or Bangladesh? Invitation or invitation?
January,
Yeah?
February, COME,
Come. Come or come?
A, B, C,
F. Z. J. K.
Saturday,
Yeah?
Sunday,
Future.
future indefinite,
Indefinite.
future continuous,
Hello. Where are you from?
New York,
New York. Just I am from Bangladesh.
New York,
Okay. I am from Bangladesh. Do you know our country?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Do you know?
Yes,
Next to India, close to India. Nice to meet
Yeah.
you. Already I have followed you.
I'm in New York.
Okay. Recently,
Okay.
have you lost a game? You lost because you are crying at present. Okay. Nice.
Yeah, it's okay. I just lost a PK. I lose a lot. I win some, I lose some.
Oh, what are you eating at this moment? Eating something what? Oh, orange. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Are you from New York, Times Square? Are you from Times Square at present?
Yeah.
Really? Oh,
Yes.
Times Square is a gorgeous place. Excellent place, excellent to look at. Sure.
Yeah.
Times.
So many people. So much people.
Okay.
And so many big rats. So many big rats.
Okay, right.
The rats over there are big like cats.
May I ask you some questions about yourself? Will you repeat it? Sure? Oh, okay. Could you please introduce yourself within short sentence about yourself?
Okay. I am Puerto Rican. I was born and raised in Chicago. I have 4 kids and they're all grown. I have 3 grandkids and I'm a student.
Oh.
Right now, I'm studying for my CDL Class A license. And I'm just a down-to-earth person. I like music. I like to write music. I like to sing. I like to dance. And I like to help people heal as well. And just love food.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I am giving my introduction. This is Zakaria Hussain from Bangladesh. We are 3 brothers and sisters. I am the youngest of all. Already I have completed higher education, Master of Social Science in Social Work. Recently, I have related into profession, teaching profession. Basically, I am a private teacher. I teach students English and mathematics, 2 subjects I teach my students. I have 20 years experience for teaching. That's it.
Wow.
Okay.
That's amazing.
But
That's really amazing.
in this platform, I have come here to express my opinions. Who can speak English fluent? And I am very interested to learn American accent. Will you teach me? American accent, right pronunciation? Will you teach me? What is this?
You're doing really well.
What is this? Doodles.
Noodles.
Noodles, not noodles.
Noodles.
Doodles. Okay. Just what is the right
Oh,
pronunciation?
okay, doodles.
Yeah. What is the right pronunciation of doodles? Doodles or doodles? Please tell me. Right pronunciation.
Doodles.
Oh. Okay.
Doodles.
Doodles. Right. Yeah, of course. So, once again, another important word. What is the right pronunciation of Bangladesh? How do you say Bangladesh or Bangladesh? How do you say in American accent?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Okay. Thank you so much. Just yeah, of course. I am very confused. Because I am very interested because I do know clearly American accent because we use always in our country Bangladesh we use and we follow you American English we follow. That is why I am asking you PK invitation, VK or PK, PK or FK, what is the right pronunciation?
PK.
VK. Invitation.
PK.
Invitation or invitation. What is the right pronunciation?
Repeat that again.
Invitation. How do you say the word invitation or invitation?
Invitation.
Oh, okay. Right. Thank you. Actually, I am very interested also new American accent. This month, January. What is the right pronunciation of January? January or January?
January.
Oh, please tell me right pronunciation of English month, 12th month. Please repeat us.
What month? Which one?
January, February. Please tell me. I am very interested to learn right pronunciation.
Okay. January,
Yeah.
February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Oh, excellent. Just this is right pronunciation. American accent. Yeah. Actually, I am very proud of talking to you. Really. Oh, actually, my name is Zakaria Hussain. Please tell me right pronunciation. Zakaria Hussain. How do you say or how do you pronounce?
Zakaria
Hussain. Hussain.
Or Zakariah Hussein.
Zakaria Hussain. Okay. Thank you. I am asking little questions. V1, V2, V3. The word come. C-O-M-E. Come. How do you say or how do you pronounce? Come. C-O-M-E. Come. V1, V2, V3. Please tell me.
C-O-M-E?
Come. Come or come.
Like come.
Come. Okay. Oh, actually, I am asking and I am very interested. To learn from you. Right pronunciation of A to Z alphabet. Alphabet A to Z. Please tell me. It is very important for me for learning English. A to Z alphabet.
Okay. Oh, the alphabet.
Alphabet, yeah.
Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
G. Oh, please. I am repeated or I am sharing my opinions. A, B.
Okay.
Please tell me. After express my opinions. A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, J, K. Pulse.
Hold on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Ace.
H,
Ace or haze?
H,
Oh, ace or haze? Just
H,
this is same.
H, H.
Ace.
So H is with, it has the sound of a CH at the end. So H.
Oh, ace. But we know that ace, haze. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z. But just this is
Z,
Z.
Z, Z,
Yeah.
Z. Yeah, like that. Like Z.
Yeah, of course. And I am asking you another questions. Will you tell me just 7 days in a week right pronunciation? Saturday, Sunday. Please tell me right pronunciation.
Saturday,
Yeah.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Excellent American accent and excellent your pronunciation. I think that I can support you 100% because I am very interested and I am very agree to you to talk with different topics next time. Will you spend with me sometime, or are you serious busy now? Are you serious busy? Right.
Well, right now I was just doing PKs, but like whenever I'm on a panel and you want to come on the panel and talk about it, you can. Hey, Jati.
Oh, okay. Just for learning spoken English. Please listen concentrately. For learning spoken English, tense is very important. Tense is very important for learning spoken English. Serious important or little bit? Okay.
It's important for spoken English, yeah.
Of course.
What do you want to know now? What do you want to learn?
There are 12 kinds of tenses. But 12 kinds of tenses, is it used? Is it used or is it used for spoken English? All tenses is important to learn English.
Can you repeat that again?
Just I am asking. 12 tenses is very important for learning English. But I am asking you all tenses is very important for spoken English.
Are sentences important for spoken English?
Yeah. Really, it is.
Sentences, yeah, it depends. It just really depends on what the sentence is. Thank you for the beanie honors.
Okay. Just I am sharing my opinions. 12 kinds of tenses pronunciation. Please, will you correct me? Okay. Present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous. It is right pronunciation or have you any fault? Is it right pronunciation or false? Please correct me.
You said it so fast. You gotta slow down.
Slow down.
So that I can understand you better.
Okay.
Slow down.
Slow down, please.
Yes.
Slow. I am telling you.
Future.
Yeah. Future indefinite. Future continuous.
Future indefinite. future indefinite, future continuous,
future perfect, future perfect,
future far-fetched,
yeah, and future
or
perfect,
future perfect.
future perfect continuous. Okay.
I kind of got a little confused there, but I think you said future perfect continuous or future far-fetched or future perfect.
Okay, just
One of those.
present.
So when you slow down and
Slow
you
down.
say it like
Yeah, I am telling you,
you can
slowly,
hear it
slowly,
better.
slowly. Present
Slowly.
indefinite, present indefinite or present indefinite.
Present indefinite, indefinitely present.
Oh, present continuous, present continuous. Is it right? Pronunciation?
Present,
Continuous.
present continuous.
Continuous.
Yeah,
Yeah, of course.
continuous. Yeah.
Just next tense. Present perfect. Perfect or perfect.
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay. Next tense.
Perfect. Perfect.
Oh,
Perfect.
just next tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Is it true? Pronunciation.
What was the last word?
Present perfect continuous tense. Continuous present
Tense?
tense. Tense or tense. Tense or tense.
Yeah, I mean, I guess the last word was hard to kind of like understand, but I think you're going the right path. You got it. I
Actually,
don't think you need my help. You're doing good with pronunciation.
yeah. Actually, I am very proud of to express my opinions. Actually, basically, I have got a friend. Please follow me. I have already followed you. We will discuss.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
sure.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Bye. That was fun.
Okay.
It's a learning experience. Thank you. See you around.
Okay. Bye bye.